Alright, what's going on, everyone? So I'm here with my boy Travis Scott. He back here raging, you know, he on that tour grind, you know what I mean? Great, love starting my videos with bad jokes. I know it puts you guys in a great mood. So today I'm here to discuss a Supreme jacket, which I'm going to show you all in a second here. Be patient, please. Alright. I spent around $300 on it, and I'm really going over if it was worth it, sort of, you know, showing you guys it and explaining why it's actually one of my favorite pieces right now. It's also, you know, a seasonal purchase. I'm gonna go into all those details. I don't really want to reveal everything before the video even starts, but I low-key just did. But I hope you guys will enjoy this video. You know, if you want more hypebeast unboxings like this, anything like that, just streetwear stuff, because, you know, this is just sort of like a review. If you want more stuff like this, please go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like in this video. Let's see if we can hit 97 likes. A random number, but 97 likes. If we have 97 likes, I plan to run a giveaway where I give away all these Travis Scott cereals to have. All of them. Those, and I have some more here. They don't have any of the cereal in them because I used them all in that video where I poured it all in my bathtub. Y'all can go check that, one of my recent videos on my channel. But I'm just giving away the empty boxes because I literally have no purpose with them. So if we hit 97 likes, then yeah, I think we can do that. But anyways, I'm not gonna say too much more. Y'all can follow me on both my Instagrams down below in the description if you want. I'd appreciate that. And yeah, we're gonna try and stay positive as possible. Let's just get started. All right, so here is the actual jacket. It's a big one, big puffy jacket. This is the Supreme and the Lacoste one that recently dropped. Basically in the back, you may not be able to see it, or now you can probably see it. It says Lacoste right there. I think this is pretty sick. And then on the front, it just says Supreme right there. Hopefully you can see that. It says Supreme. And then basically it's got a little pocket right here. I don't know if y'all noticed this. I probably should show you all this when I stand up, but look where the Supreme is. It's got a little Velcro pocket right here. You basically just unvelcro. You like my new terms I'm inventing? And basically there's a zipper right there, and you can, you know, put stuff. It's like a little pocket. You just open it up like this. And yeah, you can put a decent amount of stuff in here. Not just, look at this. That's a lot of room in there. And that's a good little pocket right there. So basically you just could zip back up. I guess re-velcro it, and yeah, then you got the jacket right there, and you got the little Lacoste alligator, which is actually embroidered on. It's very nicely done. Supreme did good quality control with this. I appreciate it. Good job. But yeah, you know, one of my favorite jackets. I'm trying to get a thumbnail right now if you can't tell, but yeah, I'm actually gonna try this on. You know, there's the tag. You know, it's the typical Supreme Lacoste tag. There's nothing really too crazy about it. Oh, Travis, you still raging, bro? I'm done with these bad jokes, but you know they're just gonna keep going. All right. Yeah, I'm not stopping anytime soon. But one of my favorite parts also about this jacket is the fact that the purple and white color scheme. I know I'm sort of tossing this jacket around a lot, but trust me, I take good care of it. All right, I promise you. And basically, you know, I really like how the purple and white and red goes together. Like these are low key like my 3 favorite colors. So like when I saw this, I was just like, bruh, I have to. But yeah, I'm gonna try this on, so I'm gonna be back. Actually, I don't even need to leave, so I'm not like taking off anything. I'm just putting this on, and I'm gonna show you all what it looked like, what a small dude like me. Yeah, I am gonna call myself small. I ain't no big body. All right, come on now. But I mean, pull up if you want to. But yeah, I'm gonna show you all what a small dude looks like with a big puffy jacket on. It's like, I look like DaBaby. What just happened to my computer? And never mind that. I look like okay, I don't know what is going on, but I look like DaBaby in the Suge music video when I'm wearing this. So just watching. Just wait. Watch this. All right, so I've activated Michelin Man mode. As you can tell, your boy looks like the Michelin Man. Unfunny joke. Okay, cool. But look at these guns. Now I'm strong. Now I'm strong. Now I can beat you. Yeah, but basically, I'm hench. Just like the UK boys, I'm hench. I'm a roadman now. Actually, roadmen wear all black. They more or less wear like big puffy North Face jackets, Stone Island, that sort of thing. But yeah, you know, this jacket actually keeps you really warm. Like I was just chilling in this yesterday because my room was like so cold for some reason. Off topic, but basically I was wearing this and I was like, I'm warm almost ASAP. Like this is really good insulation. So I mean, if you need to know some information on whether this jacket keeps you warm, it keeps you warm. But yeah, you know, I really like how, you know, obviously around the wrist it sort of closes like this. That's really nice, and it looks nice overall. Like look at the design here. It's just all around really good. And you know, it's puffy. So like, you know, if one of your friends punches you, you know, and you're a small guy like me, hey, you know, it may just not hurt at all, because you'll be like, you can say ow, but then in your head you're like, oh wait, I'm wearing my puffy jacket. That just didn't hurt at all. I just absorbed that. Like
Michelin Man, you know?
Oh yeah, here's the pocket again. So I'm gonna show y'all, like, so for example, I got pocket. Not for example, but I have the pocket. And I got a few Supreme stickers that also came with it, some dope ones. But you know, if I just wanted to, I could just go put those in there, and then I could zip it up. You never know I even had them. Most people probably didn't even know there was a pocket on this, but it's lit, and you know, it makes me look like a big boy. I am a big boy though. I'm 17. Hey. But I'm gonna take these out. Don't forget to drop that like though. I told y'all drop that like. I'm really trying to do some sort of giveaway because I just did one and I'm literally doing another one that quickly again. So I mean, I'm trying to show y'all love because y'all showing me love. But yeah, you know, share this video with your friends, your homies. Do you think this jacket was worth around $300? Let me know. But I mean, hey, I think the design's fire. Kids keeps me nice and warm. Obviously, winter time's coming up. It's gonna get cold. So I mean, I'm gonna be staying nice. You know, we're low key killing the outfit. You know, we got the blue khakis on. We got the rainbow LV. Not gonna flex too hard. And the off-white tee. Yeah, off-white tee. So yeah, you know, we doing it to him right now. If you want to say that, we doing it to him. But yeah, puffy jacket, you know, I kind of look like Gunna, you know, running wearing this. You know, if I like ran in this jacket, I'd be like just not very swift. I hope you enjoyed that jog. But yeah, I just sort of look like Gunna running because, you know, Gunna ain't a small boy, but Gunna's not someone you mess with. I've seen him beat someone up. Off topic, I'm just gonna end it here. I'm so warm, but I hope you all did. Okay, I can't do this. I hope you all did enjoy this video. If you want more content like this, please subscribe, drop a like. Don't forget 97 likes. I'm looking out for it, and y'all get that cereal. I mean, I just gave away one, so I'm literally doing another one. I hope you all can take me seriously when I look like this. Can you all take me seriously when I look like this? No? Okay, good. But yeah, drop that like, subscribe, do all that. I'd really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram down below, you know, both my accounts. I got some fire coming. I got a huge unboxing coming in tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, go check out the video where I pour a bunch of Travis Scott cereal in a bathtub. Please, I'm trying to make that go viral, you know. But that's it. Thanks for watching, boys and girls, because I ain't sexist. So many bad jokes. I'm done. I'm Tristan. Peace out.